Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a box behind text in DaVinci Resolve 20. So let's just jump into it. So I have opened DaVinci Resolve and let me just show you how you can add text first, and then I will show you how you can add a box behind the text. So to add the text, you go on effects here, you click on it, you go to titles, you go on text normal, not text plus. I will drag and drop it. So this is your text, and to edit the text you go here, and in case you can't see these properties you need to go on inspector and click on this. For me this is enabled. I will come here, I will say text. After that, if I want to change the font, I can come here and choose whichever I want. I'm okay with this and I will make it bold. Now to change the size you can come here, but you can't keyframe it. Tracking and line spacing is here as well. These are the settings to adjust your text. Once you are done adjusting your text, to add the box behind it you need to go down till you see background. First of all, make sure that it is enabled here. After that you can choose the color, so I will say yellow, and then till now we can't see it, so what I will do is I will increase the height and then decrease the width and make it full opacity. Now the color of the text is white, it's not looking very good, so I'll make it black here. I will say okay. Now you can see the text is popping very much because it's having very high contrast with the yellow. This is your background and it is kind of box. So, and in case you want to reduce the radius of your corners, what you can do is you can come here and you have this corner radius. So if I decrease it, you can see it becomes like a box. So you can do it to your liking here. And now I will decrease the width a bit more. So this is how easy it is to add a box behind text in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video was helpful for you, and in case you have any more questions you can put those in the comments and I'll make sure that I reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.